Hey, I'm Horkong from horkong.my, and I want to talk about common misconceptions in programming, which even universities get wrong. I've been programming for more than 15 years, and during my experience as a CTO, I've seen many graduates in software engineering or computer science who did not understand programming. Programmers are usually mass-produced by force-feeding information, and if you stop giving them that, they think that there's something wrong with their growth, something wrong with their manager, or something wrong with the documentation. However, the fact is, programming involves lifelong learning, and any knowledge that you can memorize is not worth more than something you can just copy online. So what exactly makes you a programmer? Programming is a creative skill. A writer learns by reading and writing, not by memorizing words. Just like learning how to write a good story, if you can write professionally, no matter how much you can write, not only you're not contributing to the final product, you may even be destroying it. Learning how to organize your words is more important than memorizing the words that you can easily find in a dictionary. You can indeed find the entire language reference of any programming language if you just search online. All programming languages are just different styles to the same set of principles. If you understand the underlying principles of programming, programming in another language is just like playing music with another instrument. If you truly understand how it works, you'll never be stuck trying to figure out how to teach yourself a new language. It is only a matter of adopting new techniques to suit the new tools that you will be using. There is no magical black box in the entire process of programming logic. Every piece of code and libraries, they came from somewhere. Somebody wrote it for the compiler. If you really want to understand the libraries in detail, lack of documentation, examples, or explanations, they are not going to stop you. Since you're a programmer who can read code, not having enough documentation is not an excuse for you to fail your work. Now, it is useless to be a programmer if you do not like programming. You will have to do it again and again and again every day. There's no way someone who memorized programming is able to enjoy it. Imagine if you just started your favorite game for the first time, such as chess, Dota, or StarCraft. Would it not be agonizing to memorize every single move and tactics before you even started playing? Why would people teach programming by feeding knowledge that you should have learned to find on your own? Not only does it make it extremely boring, but you also become dependent on others for feeding you knowledge. I'll be creating courses on programming the way I think it should be taught, by learning how to gather your own resources, structuring your code, and creating your own understanding. I hope that you will be able to see programming in a new light. You can find all my beginner courses. They're available for free on my website at horkong.my. Thanks for watching, liking, or subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.